Hello. These instructions are for installing the door panel moldings. There is a range of different molding profiles to choose from, as well as different panel designs in which to install them when designing your door. In this example, we're going to show you how to install a 4-panel design. The moldings come in 2.4-meter strips, so how many you'll need will depend on the size of the door, as well as which panel design that you have chosen. This table shows how many strips you'll need based on 3 different panel designs and 4 standard door sizes. In this example, our door is 762 by 1981 mm and we've chosen the 4-panel design, so we'll need 4 strips of molding to cover a single side of the door. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a level, some adhesive, and a saw. The first thing that we need to do is to mark on the door where the moldings will go. This table gives us all of the gap distances that we would need to be able to install 3 different panel designs onto 4 standard door sizes. So we can see exactly where the markings need to be on our 762 mm wide door. We'll start by drawing the horizontal lines onto the door using the measurements provided in the table. Next we'll draw the vertical lines, which are 114 mm in from the sides. The 4-panel design which we're using calls for a 114 mm vertical gap in the center. To work this out, we multiply 114 by 3, and then deduct that from the door width, which gives us 420. Then divide this by 2 and that gives us a panel width of 210 mm. We can then measure the distance in from our vertical lines and draw them on the door for the center gap. Next, we need to measure the size of each drawn-out panel and cut the strips to length, making sure that they all have a 45-degree miter at both ends. Apply adhesive to the back of each strip. Then offer each strip into place. You can either use masking tape to hold the strips in place while the adhesive dries, or you can use a nail gun. Repeat this process for the remaining strips. Once all your panels are on the door, fill any gaps and joints with decorator's cork, wiping away any excess with a damp cloth. Fill any nail holes with filler and sand to a smooth finish. Once the decorator's cork has dried, you are now ready to paint. Once it's painted, it'll be time to stand back and admire your work.